513 Utility Track Vehicle. 1. General. It is a self-propelled four-wheeler vehicle with crane used for loading and unloading and transportation of P.Way materials like rail, sleeper and other heavy materials. It has the capability to attach and haul one BFR or similar railway wagon for holding the material. Sketch of UTV with main components can be seen in Figure 5.7. Fig. 5.7. 2. Main assemblies of UTV and their functions. A. Cabin. Cabin is provided on one side only. The cabin has seating arrangement for staff. B. Platform. Platform is the flat portion of the UTV, where material can be stacked. Loading and unloading of materials can be done either on the platform or on railway flat wagon attached with UTV. Cabin. Engine. Power transmission. Crane. 171. C. Crane. There are different models of UTVs. Some of the earlier models of UTV had mobile crane with tired wheels mounted on flat wagon, of capacity of 1.5 t at 7.5 meters radius. Current models have fixed type of crane. It is installed on platform, having multi-stage extension. Crane has its own power pack for its operation. The crane capacities of some machines are 1.5 t at 7.5 meters radius, i.e. 11.25 tm, while of others is 2 t at 7.5 meters radius. It is further planned to increase the crane capacity for handling a set of stock and tonga rail, 3 t at 7.5 meters, i.e. 22.5 tm. D. Engine. The vehicle has one diesel-operated prime mover with water-cooled engine for the driving the vehicle and also for crane operation. E. Power transmission. Hydrodynamic power transmission system provided for transit driving and for working in the section. Both axles of vehicle are powered. F. Brake system. Following brake system is provided on UTV machine. I. Direct brake, service brake. This brake is applied directly by hand-operated valve, SA9, to all brake cylinders of both the axles through pneumatic relay, C2W, when machine is running. E. Indirect brake for coupled coach, wagon. Indirect brake, A9, is applied on both machine and coupled coaches, wagon in new machine. In old machine, this brake is applied separately for camping coach, wagon, in addition to machine brake. E. Parking brake. Two spring-loaded separate cylinders are mounted on both the wheels of one axle of the machine. This brake is applied automatically when air of these cylinders released or when air system pressure drops below 3.5 bars. IV. Emergency brake. This is applied directly on the machine in the case of emergency for immediate stopping. V. Vacuum brake. A separate power pack with own circuit is provided and applied when camping coach, wagon is having vacuum brake system. 3. Models of UTVs. Presently 7 models of UTVs of different manufacturers are working over Indian Railways. The sketch of each machines with dimensional detail is enclosed at Annexure -5.5. A. UTV 502 with mobile cranes by Tampa Corporation, USA. B. UTV with fixed crane, 11.25 tm capacity, by Fulters Tampa, India. C. UTV with mobile crane, 11.25 tm capacity, by Fulters Tampa, India. D. UTV with fixed crane, 15 tm capacity, by Fulters Hasco, India. E. UTV by BML India. F. UTV by BHEL India. (172). G. UTV by OEPL India. H. UTV by Trident Engineering, 11.25 tm. I. UTV by SAN Engineering, 11.25 tm, .514 rail-borne maintenance vehicle.